Pelajaran nomor 56. Saudara pendengar, hari ini akan kita pelajari dua kata kerja yang penting dalam menceritakan kembali apa yang telah dikatakan dalam suatu percakapan. Kata kerja pertama ialah ask. Terlebih dahulu, kata ini akan kita pakai dalam kalimat yang berbentuk pertanyaan. Coba dengarkan.
I'm going to ask a question. What do you do? I'm going to ask another question. What's your name? And some other questions. Where do you live? Do you know Chris Scott?
Jane tadi mengajukan beberapa pertanyaan. Mari kita dengarkan kepada siapa dia bertanya. Dia sedang duduk dalam bis di sebelah seorang penumpang pria yang masih muda.
It's crowded, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Where are you going?
To the university.
Oh, really? What do you do at the university?
I'm a student.
And what's your name?
Brian. Why did you ask?
My brother's a student too. Do you know Chris Scott?
Chris Scott. Oh, yes, Chris. He's an engineering student, isn't he?
Yes, that's right.
Yes, I know him. And his friend from Indonesia, Iwan. Has he got a job during the holidays?
Jane tadi bertanya.
I asked a question.
Dia menunjukkan pertanyaannya kepada seorang mahasiswa bernama Brian.
I asked Brian a question. I asked him a question.
Coba dengarkan lagi.
I asked a question. I asked Brian a question. I asked him a question.
Sebentar lagi akan kita dengar beberapa pertanyaan lain. Tetapi sebelumnya, coba dengarkan baik-baik ucapan kata ask.
Ask. Ask.
Bentuk tadi adalah bentuk dalam present tense.
Ask. Ask.
Coba ucapkan sesudah Jane.
Ask.
Kata tadi berakhir dengan dua bunyi, yaitu sk. Sk.
Ask.
Coba ulangi lagi sesudah Jane.
Ask. He's going to ask. He's going to ask a question.
Nah, berikut ini bentuk lampaunya. Kita tambahkan bunyi teh pada kata tadi. Coba dengarkan.
Asked. Asked.
Coba ulangi sesudah Jane.
Asked. He asked a question. I asked him a question. He asked me a question.
Saudara pendengar, mari kita kembali pada percakapan antara Jane dan Brian tadi.
Yes, he went to Indonesia with Iwan.
How long have they been there?
About 5 weeks.
When are they coming back?
They're coming back tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow. Are you excited?
Oh, yes. We'll be very glad to see Chris and Iwan again.
What do you do?
Oh, you don't know my name, do you?
No. What is your name?
Jane. I'm not working at the moment, but I'm going to have an interview for a job this morning.
Where's the job?
In a hospital. I was a nurse before I got married. And then...
Jadi, Jane sedang pergi untuk diinterview bagi suatu pekerjaan di sebuah rumah sakit. Dan dalam perjalanan ke tempat itu, dia bercakap-cakap dengan salah seorang kenalan Chris. Brian mengajukan banyak pertanyaan. Pada sore harinya, Jane menceritakan kembali percakapan tersebut kepada Don.
Yes, I met a student on the bus. He knows Chris.
Oh, really? Did you talk to him?
Yes, he asked a lot of questions.
What kind of questions?
He asked me my name, and he asked me my occupation.
Well, you haven't got an occupation, have you?
Jadi, di samping mengajukan pertanyaan yang bersifat umum, kita juga dapat bertanya tentang hal-hal pribadi orang yang kita tanyai. Coba ucapkan contoh-contoh berikut sesudah Jane.
He asked me my name. He asked me my occupation.
Dan ulangilah beberapa kalimat lagi seperti tadi.
I asked him his telephone number.
She asked me my age.
She asked him his address.
Baiklah, suatu cara yang umum untuk menceritakan kembali suatu pertanyaan yang tidak mengenai hal-hal pribadi adalah dengan memakai kata about, artinya tentang, dalam ungkapan-ungkapan seperti misalnya,
He asked me about Chris.
I asked him about his holidays.
He asked me about Helen.
He asked me about my family.
I asked him about his course.
Coba ucapkan kalimat-kalimat tadi sesudah Jane dan Don. Dan berhati-hatilah dengan ucapan kata asked. Siap, saudara-saudara?
He asked me about Chris.
I asked him about his holidays.
He asked me about Helen.
He asked me about my family.
I asked him about his course.
Baiklah. Sekarang, coba dengarkan lagi beberapa pertanyaan lain yang mengandung kata kerja ask seperti yang saudara dengar tadi.
He asked a question.
He asked me a question.
He asked me my name.
I asked him his address.
I asked him about his family.
He asked me about Chris.